Hi, to enable and use voice typing on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, firstly you need to find and open settings on the phone, and from here choose apps. After that, pick apps again, and in search apps tab you should enter Gboard. This is our main default keyboard, so just tap it and check permissions. Here you need to allow permissions for microphone. This is important if you want to use voice typing. So tap on microphone and here switch to allow only while using the app. And now this permission is allowed. So the next thing we need to do is to trigger our keyboard. I just did it with the help of swiping down, but you can open any app in which you can trigger your keyboard. Take a look at this upper panel and from here choose settings. Then you need to find voice typing and choose to use it by tapping on the switcher. And after that, if you go back, you should see that this microphone icon appears in the upper panel, and now you can tap it and say aloud everything you want to say, and it would be transformed into a text, as you can see. And if you want to stop recording, just press this microphone icon, or sometimes it could automatically stop recording when you stop talking at the moment. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.